Hello and welcome to learning how to get to Savvas Learning program for your online textbook. You want to head to the Kyrene School District. You then want to go to the Students Resource page. Click here. Once you're at the Students, you're going to scroll down and go to Educational Resources. And then finally, you're going to go down to the textbook right here. At this point, you'll sign in with your credentials. And your screen is not going to look like my screen, but once you're there, you're going to click on Savvas Realize. And the three areas will come up. The browse will take you to the different modules. Classes will take you to assignments, and then I'm not sure if you'll have this area. So I can view all 7 classes. What you will see is, I think 2 or 3 classes here, you'll have science and social studies. And to see assignments, you'll click on assignments. And that is how you get to your work. Again, if you want to go up to the browse, this will take you to the science textbook, and we are currently working in this section, Relationships with Ecosystems. We've completed Lesson 1, and we are currently on Lesson 2. Now, your area will look different than this. These are all the things that I could assign, but I've only assigned a couple of them for you to do. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you.